Hey there, Raiders! Here's how to get pneumatic parts in Sand. Pneumatic parts are a rare crafting resource used for unlocking more advanced tech tree upgrades, including higher-tier trampler components and other late-game technologies. Unlike common resources, pneumatic parts aren't something you'll find everywhere. While they can be obtained from parts crates, the location of those crates matters quite a bit. If you're only looting smaller points of interest, such as isolated shipwrecks or minor landmarks, your chances of finding pneumatic parts are fairly low. You'll eventually unlock them on the tech tree, making them available in the item shop, but it'll still take a long time to get there. Instead, you'll want to focus your expeditions on major named locations, particularly the larger islands scattered throughout the map. Parts crates found in towns and other major island settlements have a much higher chance of containing pneumatic parts, regardless of the crate's rarity. Because of this, these locations are generally the most reliable places to farm them. For even better results, prioritize islands with industrial areas, docks, or harbour facilities. These locations are often recognizable by their large cranes and shipping infrastructure, and they tend to contain a higher concentration of parts crates. Once you arrive, search every parts crate you can find. Pneumatic parts are valuable and often required in significant quantities for advanced upgrades, so gathering as many as possible during each trip can save you a lot of time later. Just remember that these high-value locations are also popular targets for other raiders. Stay alert for hostile players, watch out for enemies guarding key areas, and make sure you have a safe route back to your trampler before loading up on loot. After all, finding pneumatic parts is only useful if you can successfully bring them home. And that's all of it. If this video helped, please leave a like or comment and subscribe to the channel for more straightforward guides. Thanks for stopping by, and see you in the next side quest.